everyone, this is Patrick here at Fields BMW Daytona. I'm here with this brand new 2025 760i, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how to use the touch command controls in the rear seat. So here in the back seat, this is where all of your controls for the rear seat passengers are. So it's on the door panel, and it kind of works like a smartphone. So you see the little up arrows, that is how you open it up and unlock everything. But in the back, this is where you can control most of your controls for the backseat passengers. So you got climate control, temperature up and down, and that's also where you can activate your heated seats if the car is equipped with them, as well as change the fan speed for the rear seats and where the air is coming out of. Or if you put it on auto, the car will kind of take care of that for you. That button there lets you switch to the passenger side if you want to control theirs, and then you have settings, which will bring up additional settings, would let you choose where the seat heats, if you just want it on your back or just want it on the bottom. Otherwise, the home button in the top kind of works like the main screen, but all the other controls here, you can control the volume with the little volume adjuster up here. That changes the radio volume, and then you can change it up or down. And then you have a couple other controls. So the blinds are going to be the shades for the windows as well as the sunroof. You can control those, open all or close all, and then you can individually control the shades. Light lets you turn on the reading lights as well as the ambience, which is the colored accent lighting throughout the vehicle. You can change that color from back here. My modes lets you change it to the the modes that don't change the driving experience of the car. So personal, digital assistant, expressive, all these types of modes, they don't change how the car drives. That is only for the driver to control. Display is how you change the brightness of this display, but also this vehicle is equipped with the theater screen. So if you hit theater there, you can then fold it down. Folding down the theater screen also puts up all the shades in the rear, especially over the back, so that passengers in the vehicle behind you can't see the screen. You can also fold it up from there as well. And then the last couple things here, Fire TV and then the media radio there, those are both if you have the eSIM hooked up in the vehicle. That is how you can control what is shown on the screen. So you can control the media. And then telephone, if you have a phone hooked up, you can have it controlled through the rear seats for making calls and stuff. So, hope that was helpful. But if you have any questions, feel free to come down to Fields BMW Daytona Beach and have a good rest of your day.